What up, everybody? It's Kyle. See, this is a good
I didn't do anything.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I do it myself. What up? It's Kyle. Back at it again with another vlog. It's vlog number 3. For some reason, I can't say vlog. I want to say vlog. But anyway, today I'm meeting up with some of my Stinger family, and we are going to take about an hour-and-a-half drive to Aberdeen, Maryland, where the Miracle Makers of Maryland is having a charity car event at Ripken Junior Stadium. So yeah, come along with us. What's up, everybody? It's Kyle reporting live from the Miracle Makers of Maryland car show at the Aberdeen Leidos field, Ripken Junior Stadium. We got some Stingers here. Got Chris on the drone. Got some Stingers. We got a whole bunch of other cars. A lot of variety out here. So just come along with us and take a look. I'll be scared of these, man.
Yeah, I think this is an event.
Oh, that's crazy. Wow. Super nice. Is that a Stinger? One day. It's like, man, I don't think that's gonna fit in my garage. heading to a scenic overlook. There's about 3 of us. Got 2 micro blue stingers right ahead. So I hope we can get some good photos. It's all for the gram. Well, that's the type of that you see on the road around here, man. Oh, damn, they got the mean lean. Ha ha ha. Going up to this scenic to this scenic area, and man, there are so many potholes and bumps in this road. It's a paved road, but man,
be the change you believe in.
okay. I'm good with that. They're like, what were you doing? Oh,
so did you see the people parked on the left?
Mind if I get you in the?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can hike all the way up this to the very top. It's pretty
cool. That's cool. Yeah. That's really cool.
Yeah.
I love back roads driving, man. Like that. That. Just. I love. This is Bel Air, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. This is Forest Hill.
Forest Hill. I just love this area.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's really nice.
I saw a spot where, I was like, oh, I turned on that bridge once, and it was like
you did?
Sketchy. Yeah.
Yeah, that road to go up is quite intimidating when you first see it. But
I love it.
You know
Let's
you're
test
going
these cars.
like way up.
Yeah, but the sting hills. You know what I'm
Yes.
saying? Like it does not give up. Like it wants to take
Yeah,
on the
it
hills,
wants to
which
keep
If
on
I
going.
wasn't, I would have ridden
Watch yourself.
those like back roads a little more. But I
Yeah.
was like,
No,
man, I'm
I
gonna
want you to be
mellow.
careful.
That's
I'm
all
gonna
right.
mellow out a little
Yeah, we
bit.
don't
Yeah.
need to
Yeah.
have
But-
any accidents or anything
Yeah,
crazy.
no.
The first
Looks like
time I
there's some
met
family.
Paulie, we went to New Market Cars and Coffee, and I
Yeah.
took him the back way. He
It was
was
really high.
no, when we he didn't know what to expect, but like when we got there, he was like, man, you were hugging whipping that car around, like
Yeah.
I was like, and I was in comfort, bro.
Right.
I wasn't
Yeah,
going
exactly,
fast, you
right.
know.
Like these trails or what, like when we were driving down there, you can hike like up to this.
So you could park down at the bottom.
Oh,
of the
that's cool.
river and then
Yeah.
And
hike
this
up.
is a different trail that goes down.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of different like in and outs up here.
I don't know if you guys want to climb up.
Oh, I'm down. I am down. Me my $20 Target shoes. Who knew Peter wanted to take us to a mountain?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting to go to the car show.
Do you like that?
Oh, I see it. Yeah. Wow.
You want to jump it? You can do this way,
Everything the light touches is ours, Simba. Okay. We're just lining up our car so we can get some good photos for social media, baby.
On the white line.
Peter has been mistaken. And now go towards my car a little bit. And now straighten out. Straighten the wheel, yep, and go all the way back. It's like a musical chairs. You did it! Woohoo! I turned my car off, but we can keep it on.
I did it.
So proud of you, Peter.
Running with the lights or no?
I turned them off.
I turned it off, yeah.
That looks good.
That peachy peach. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Little soupy.
Peaches and cream. Someone's Bluetooth just split.
Move it back up a little bit.
Yeah.